JustFit Review, Usage Experience. Links to the product are in the description below. In this video, I'll give you a detailed review of JustFit, focusing on its features, usability, and my overall experience with the app. If you're looking for a personalized fitness app that helps you track workouts and achieve your goals, this might be the one for you. JustFit is designed for individuals looking to track their fitness journey, from beginners to advanced athletes. It provides personalized workout plans, nutrition tracking, and progress monitoring, making it an all-in-one fitness tool. The app is user-friendly and allows you to create a customized fitness plan based on your goals, whether it's weight loss, muscle gain, or overall health improvement. One of the standout features of JustFit is its intelligent workout generator. It tailors exercise routines to your fitness level, ensuring that you're always challenged, but not overwhelmed. The app offers a wide range of exercises targeting different muscle groups, with video demonstrations to ensure proper form. Additionally, it provides workout routines for both beginners and more advanced fitness levels, which I found helpful when adjusting my goals. Another great feature is the nutrition tracker. JustFit allows you to log your meals and track your calorie intake. It also provides nutritional information, helping you make healthier food choices. The app syncs with other fitness devices, such as smartwatches and fitness trackers, to give you a complete view of your progress. The progress tracking is detailed, allowing you to see your improvements over time. You can track metrics like weight, body measurements, and performance in various exercises. I found this useful in keeping motivated and adjusting my routines as I progressed. In terms of pricing, JustFit offers both free and premium plans. The premium plan unlocks additional features like personalized coaching and advanced analytics, but the free version is fully functional for most users. Overall, JustFit is a well-rounded fitness app that caters to a variety of fitness levels. It's great for those looking for structure and guidance on their fitness journey. Check the links in the description to learn more or get started with JustFit today.